What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna finish up doing the handlebars. I bought a new clutch perch, got some hand guards, then I'm gonna throw the grips on just to finish the handlebar setup. But yeah, as you can tell, the Supermoto is where the dyno used to be. Dyno is outside, so as you probably could tell from the last video. But yeah, so just like I said, Amazon cheap stuff. Wasn't looking to spend a lot of money on these, so just picked them up on Amazon. So yeah, so I'm gonna get those thrown on real quick. Alright, so got the bars finished up for now. They don't look too bad. It's kind of a cluster. I'm not a fan, not gonna lie. I just hate this decompression switch where it sits. It's just like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. I could just get a decompression cam. That's like a couple $100, so that won't be anytime soon. And this clutch. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta figure all this out. I might try doing something sketchy with this, like I was saying, so it would fit around the bar possibly. Might have some ideas, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, so, oh yeah, and I'm not gonna put the handguards on either because they're not gonna work right now. So yeah, this thing's pretty rough so far, but hopefully we can clean it up. I don't think I'm gonna have a video out next week. I am gonna be moving out of my apartment back to my hometown, so I'm gonna be really busy. I don't have any time to work on these bikes at the moment because I gotta get packed up. But yeah, because other stuff I need to do, I'm gonna do videos on, are pretty big projects, so they're gonna take a while. Like, I gotta put a new swing arm on, gotta get the dyno running, and yeah, we'll get some riding videos in. Should have a bunch of content over this summer, so thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next episode. Peace.
1, 2, 3, 4.